We're looking here at an early 20th century pocket map that was issued by a bank. It's a Rand McNally map in its original folder with a picture of the bank. It's an enormous paper map that's color lithographed. We'll unfold it like this. It'll take you 10 minutes to unfold it. Just kidding. All right, now we'll get it open like so, and I'm going to show you what's very interesting about this. And that is, down here, it's 1922, Auto Trails map. And what all of these are is each of these trails has symbols that I think were actually marked along the way with signage. But it says right here, yes, right, state highway system, yes. So this is early automobile-related cartography, and it's very interesting. Yes, it's the sort of the infancy of cartography aimed specifically at a growing mobile automobile society where enough people had cars to justify this type of map production. It's also overprinted in red, showing all kinds of hotel names and garages, hotels, so you knew where to get your car fixed as well if you had problems. And it's beautifully preserved, tiny little minor split at the edge here, but otherwise clean and fresh, almost as issued in appearance. And it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.